Yeah, son. Mad weed. No, not yet. I'm done. Hold on. I gotta dump all this. I'm trying to dump it and show you how much is in there. It's hard. Basically, you'll see. Watch. Oh my god. Yes, most likely. Hopefully I finish. Just set up, move the tables. I don't know how I'm gonna get that big one in my room. My mom wants to do it. Mad big son. Yo, this would be like 2 ounces of weed. Goodbye.